Hello everyone, Lurgs here, and today
I'll show you how to remove luminous stars from your ceiling without damaging it. This is a children's bedroom here, which is going to be converted into an office, and it's got multiple luminous stars on the ceiling. Now I want to remove these without damaging the ceiling. What you're going to need today is something safe to stand on, your partner's hairdryer.
Seriously, Lurgs, are you having a laugh?
And possibly a flat-bladed screwdriver.
He's using my hairdryer for this video. He used my toothbrush to clean the dishwasher.
I've just got this stool here, just going to hop up onto this with my wife's hairdryer.
Seriously, Lurgs.
Put it onto the hottest setting. And then basically what you're doing is you're heating up that luminous star. Now on the back of the luminous star will be some kind of foam sticker, and what you're doing is by heating that up, you're just heating up the glue residue. That becomes all malleable, and then after about 30 seconds to a minute it will just become all loose and the star should just be able to be peeled off. Now I've just got this flat bladed screwdriver just to start moving it about. Just be very gentle. If it doesn't feel like it's coming off, keep the hairdryer on it. So plenty of heat. It's coming loose already. And there we go, fabulous. That's heated up the glue. It's just worked its way loose. We've only got a tiny bit of glue residue left on the ceiling. You could try wiping that off with a bit of white spirit, or if you're going to paint the ceiling anyway, at least you can paint it because you haven't damaged the ceiling. Just going to remove the rest of the stars here. Just speed this footage up a little bit. And again, this one's coming nice and loose, and then just removes really easily and no damage to the ceiling. Absolutely fantastic.
Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket, never let it fade away.
Now this ceiling is now ready to be painted and the whole room decorated. And that's all the stars removed. Time for a quick brew. Whilst I'm having a brew, in the top right, how to defrost your freezer in under 15 minutes. And in the top left, how to remove mould from silicone without any scrubbing at all. And in the bottom left, how to keep your curtains super smooth on the curtain rails. I hope that video was useful.